Did you know a man once stole an entire warship by wearing a hat? In 1862, Robert Smalls was enslaved and forced to work on a Confederate ship called the CSS Planter. But Robert was watching and learning everything. He memorized all the secret naval signals. He studied how the white captain walked and talked. Then one night, when the captain left the ship, Robert put on the captain's hat and coat. He sailed the ship right past Confederate guards, giving perfect hand signals and copying the captain's movements. The guards waved him through, never knowing an enslaved man was stealing their warship. Robert picked up his family and 16 other enslaved people, then sailed straight to Union forces. He handed over the Confederate ship and earned $1,500 as a reward. But Robert wasn't done making history. He became the youngest black congressman during Reconstruction, serving 5 terms fighting for civil rights. And here's the most amazing part. He later bought his former master's house and took care of the man's elderly widow. That's true grace.